Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Canva Website Builder, a tutorial for beginners. So here as you can see, I'm on the website builder. So simply search it on your website, Canva Website Builder, and click on the first link and sign in or log into your account. Now, after you sign in or logged in, you will be directed here. Click on this Create a Canva website. Now you'll be directed into a new tab. And here, as you can see, there is a blank space. Now for the design, here there are a lot of templates you can choose from. So if you don't want to start from scratch, simply search for a template that you want. For me, I will search on fitness type of template. Like this one, I will simply click on it and then click on apply all 7 pages. Then there you go. I have the template for my website. Here you can double click it to edit the text, and then here you have more editing tools for your text. On the pictures, you can ungroup it or group or delete it. Here on elements, you have here the graphic designs that you can add from here. For example, I want to add this one. I'll simply click on it and here you go, it is on the website. I can resize it all I want and put it anywhere I want. Now on the text, you can click on add text box to add a new text box. And on uploads, there you can upload the pictures for this one and other things. Here on tools, you can draw something like line like that. Now, all you want to do here is edit this template or create your website from scratch. It is basically drag and drop, so it is easy to make a website with this Canva. And that's basically it.